I was just standing here, enjoying the silence. I just said I was enjoying the silence. Hey, you. Not you. Not you. Not you, sorry. I was talking to the rooster. I promised her a whole can of tuna. But since I'll be going out, should be okay lah. Yesterday, I don't know lah. I read in the last 7 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but since yesterday morning, she's been okay. She's been okay. I was so tired last night. I'm sorry. I got up twice or thrice in between. I read all the comments. I just couldn't reply. I didn't want to move much. To reply, I had to sit up and then I can type. Then she would wake up and less movement. So nice wake up, but then you stretch. That first stretch is not as good as the first sip of coffee. So, excusez-moi. Put her up here, can tell that she's grown. You can tell that she's grown. Enjoy the silence as long as it lasts. Hi. Okay, I go make my coffee. Please pray that the weather will be good. I don't like the look of those clouds. You see? That side. Jacqueline. What am I still doing here? Excuse me, I got coffee to make. I love you. I'm looking forward to going because Daddy's taking us. I wish he would be just him, but wishful thinking. Hillary has 100 ringgit worth of tickets. 100 ringgit worth. I think it should be just Daddy and Ruth. Joyce. I think Joyce is working. Joyce works on Saturdays. I think. She better not be there. Okay. Really need my coffee. Say bye. Not you again.